Hi, everybody. Welcome to Demo, the show where companies come in and they show us their latest products and platforms. Today, I'm here with Mahesh Kumar. He is the Chief Marketing Officer at Excel Data. Welcome to the show, Mahesh.
Happy to be here.
And now, the reason I paused a little bit is it sounds like Excel Data, so we're not talking about spreadsheets or anything like that, but accelerate, like you're accelerating the data. So tell me a little bit.
Accelerating your data initiatives.
Yeah, so tell me about the company and what you're here to show today.
Sure. We are an agentic data management company, and we primarily work with large enterprises, the ones that have hundreds of pipelines and tens of thousands of data tables and databases. And we manage that complex environment, whether it's on the cloud or on premises, and help you get your data out, your AI and other initiatives in the most trusted manner.
And so we're talking a lot of data here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Petabyte scale, exabyte scale.
Within the companies that you're helping, who is the most likely to use this? What kind of roles within the company would really benefit from this?
Mm-hmm. It's multiple, honestly. Especially with the agentic approach, you can have anyone from the CDO or CIO interested in asking questions, and it'll answer and help you get your work done very efficiently. And also data engineers and the operators can also get their insights into their data environment through our platform.
Right, and so when you say agentic data management, you're using AI agents to, in fact, help manage the data, right?
Yes,
yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah, and so what's the big main problem that you're solving? Like, again, why should people really care about this? What problems are companies facing now with this?
Sure. So let me give you a couple of examples. Say for one of the largest financial institutions had a data pipeline that led to giving people credit card offers and cash offers. And silently, their credit scores had failed and they were not getting updated. So if you can imagine, giving offers to them without having up-to-date credit scores is very, very expensive.
Oh, wow, yeah.
So how do you find that, right? So you need very deep insights into both your data, the pipelines, the users and what they are doing, the infrastructure that supports it, and the cost that you're incurring while you're doing all of this. So we give like a complete sort of a 360-degree view into your data environment and identify problems very proactively using AI and a bunch of other techniques.
Okay, and now if companies were not using this, would they be just missing a lot of these insights, or would it just be too hard to find the insights? I think we were talking before the show, and in a lot of the examples you were giving me, it's like, look, this only takes a few minutes. This would take, hours and hours of several people trying to, glean through the data, right?
Yes, it runs the gamut.
Yeah.
In some cases, it takes a long time for them to get there. In other cases, the damage is already done, like the example that I gave you. There is another example of one of our customers who has operations in 120 different countries. And in each of those countries, they're getting data from like 100 different places. And their biggest issue was the customers were complaining that the data is not up to date. Now you're talking about reputational risk to your business. So, the situations vary quite a bit. But the point of it is to do it proactively as early as possible so that you don't have these problems.
All right, just before we jump into the demo, I want to ask, does it require a company to take all of their data sources and sort of smush them into one big data lake, data warehouse, or can they go out and find where all the data is sitting?
That's a fantastic question. Our architecture, the core of it is the cross-lake reasoning engine. What that does is it actually deploys into their data environments, regardless whether it's on-premises or in your cloud.
Right.
And the data never leaves your environment.
Oh, okay.
So it's only the insights that actually come to our cloud platform. So that's very, very secure. And the reason I say is 5 out of 12 banks are our customers, 3 out of top 7 pharmas are our customers, and largest telcos, largest consumer packaged goods companies. So the product has been battle tested and proven for security and other things in the largest and most complex environments.
All right, cool. Let's jump into the demo and see what you got.
Awesome. Yeah. So what you see here in the demo is the initial sort of welcome screen. It greets you with your name and what have you, and you have some essential prompts that it gives you options to actually do. In our case, say I'm a CIO or a CDO.
Yep.
And you ask a very open-ended question. What should I pay attention to today?
Right, and the questions and the prompts can be generic or specific,
Very generic
right?
or specific.
Yep.
And as you can see over here, I'm looking for, say, a balanced insight, and you can adjust the temperature. It could be an executive summary, or you can go more deep. So it actually adapts to the persona and what they're asking for. So the moment you ask that open-ended question based on who you are,
And this is searching through your company's entire data.
It's searching through the customer's data stack, and also looking for insights. It's looking at knowledge bases to see what was critical in the past, what you liked to really hone in on.
Yeah.
So it's taking actually insights from a bunch of different sources, and then it's going through a thought process, right? So the thing that separates agents from previously co-pilots is it has planning, it has reasoning, and it has memory. So it brings all of those concepts together and then gives you an output that actually matches what you're asking.
Yeah, and what I like here is it's giving you almost like a running commentary of what it's doing, so that you're not feeling like it's just going to be an hourglass spinning or something while you wait for it.
Exactly.
All right, so it has come up with what's the big?
So we're asking a question of the data quality agent, right?
Yep.
So it's giving you a lot of information about quality related issues that you need to be really paying attention to. What you saw here was something that would take a long time, right, for people to actually get, or it would be a very static view.
Yeah.
The answers wouldn't change that dramatically from day to day, right? So here, you're looking at latest and greatest information. It tells you what are the drift issues you've had, what is the quality score concerns that you have, and it also recommends a set of actions that you can take. So another aspect that differentiates agents in the past from the co-pilots and such is the ability to actually take action, right? So those action steps are also built into it. So now you can go, hey, I see a quality problem here.
Yep.
Let me add some policies, right, to actually fix those issues. So you can see if I came in as a business owner or business user, I'm able to get deep in the technology and have my intention reflected in code and other things, right? So it actually takes away the barriers that existed within the organization and the need for a lot of endless meetings and and things of that nature.
Anything that can cut down meetings is a plus in my book.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, so are we going to show the next steps, or you want to show some other examples?
I can go to the next step. I want to show some other examples. Probably in the interest of time, we can kind of move on to some other ones.
Okay.
So, here is some...
And some of these were pre-populated just for the sake of time, right?
Just for the sake of time, yeah. So you can ask these questions and these answers kind of show up within 30 seconds and so on, right? So this is going not from an executive standpoint, looking at it more from a data engineer, data manager standpoint. So you can see here, you're asking, show me all the pipelines that land last week. And exactly, it doesn't tell you, not only that, it tells you all the error events happened, warnings, etc. And it also gives you pipelines that failed in the last month. So you can see, and what the nice thing about this is regardless of how you're asking these questions, the system is recognizing these patterns and it's storing it in its memory so that you can then kind of go back and look at past pattern as to what happened, how you actually resolve those things, right? So there is a lot of intelligence built into the system that's really not necessarily exposed to the customer. It's just there and ready for you to tap into.
Okay. Would this have been possible a few years ago, or is it really just because of the advances in generative AI and the way that the LLMs have evolved that are helping you get to this point now?
That's a great question to ask. I think we initially started out as a data observability company.
Right.
And the critical thing about data observability is we are full stack, meaning we look at the data pipelines, infrastructure, costs, and what the users are doing, all of it, right? And through that process, we have the ability to accumulate a lot of insights about your data landscape and tie it all together. With the advent of LLMs, what that does is it allows you to then now think through the problems more automatically. It allows business owners to directly interact rather than having to go through complex set of screens. So, very interesting. Like when we had that data observability product previously, which is the baseline for what we have now, there was a big criticism on the UI is too complex. There's so many options, this and that. But actually, that's helping us now in the agentic world.
Yeah.
Because when an agent has more information it can kind of tap into and think about, the answers are that much richer and accurate. And so all of that is actually playing to our strengths right now in the agentic world.
Yeah, and so one of a lot of CIOs and other people that are talking about AI, there's the biggest concerns are always around security, privacy, accuracy. So you have all of those things built in with guardrails and things like that, or is governance, things like that, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. So there is what we call as resource-based access management, role-based. When we talk about resource-based, This is essentially locking things down from people accessing at the table level, at the column level,
Yeah.
right? So individual fields. So great example and a segue to this is PII, right? So if I want to see PII, this you're talking about going through 15 different meetings, many different stakeholders coming in, endless debates and discussion and what's PII and what's not.
Right.
You go get that answer in literal 30 seconds flat with this. Because of LLMs, you're able to understand higher level constructs, like what is a PII? And then we're able to look at the metadata and data itself and then tell you that these are the actual things that are PII. So we are able to kind of lock it down and also be able to identify things like this that you can mask so it never shows up in the UI. Say,
Right.
hey, never show me PII data because I don't want to see it. And system knows and recognizes that it
Right.
is PII data and it's able to mask those things.
Right. All right. Really, really cool stuff. Where can people go to learn more about this, or you offer a trial? Like it sounds like a trial might be hard to do here, but do you offer kind of like a try it before you buy it type?
There is a try before you buy.
Yeah.
Most of our customers have a small trial period and many proof of concept. Usually lasts a couple of weeks to a month at the most. Even for very large enterprises, they
Yeah.
can actually go through it very fast because of the ease of deployment of the product. And after that, a decision's made and off they go.
All right. And again, where can people go for more
Sure.
info?
You go to axeldata.io.
Okay.
That's our website, and you'll get all the information there.
All right. Mahesh Kumar, again, thanks again for joining the show.
Welcome. Thank you.
That's all the time we have for this week's episode. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, add any thoughts you have below. Join us every week for new episodes of Demo. I'm Keith Shaw. Thanks for watching.